In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up automatic bi-weekly stock buys on Moomoo. If you're looking to simplify your investment strategy and ensure you're consistently investing, setting up an automatic purchase schedule can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and get you started on this easy process. First things first, open up the Moomoo app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your device's app store and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on your screen. Look for the tab labeled Accounts and give it a tap. From there, select the All option to proceed. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your account where you can manage your investments. Now, under the Trade section, you'll see an option called Auto Buy. Tap on Auto Buy to start setting up your schedule for automatic purchases. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in, it's time to choose a stock or an ETF that you want to invest in regularly. Take your time to decide, and once you've made your choice, enter the amount you wish to invest. This amount is how much will be automatically deducted from your account every 2 weeks to purchase your chosen stock or ETF. Next, it's time to set the frequency of these purchases. Tap on the frequency option and select every 2 weeks. This ensures that your investment is consistent and aligns with a bi-weekly schedule. After selecting the frequency, choose the specific day of the week that you want these purchases to occur. Once you've made your selections, tap Confirm to save your settings. Before finalizing your automatic purchase setup, you'll be prompted to review an agreement. This is an important step as it outlines the terms of the automatic buy feature. Make sure to read through it carefully. Once you've reviewed the agreement and are satisfied with the terms, tap on Buy to confirm your automatic bi-weekly stock purchase setup. And that's it! You've successfully set up automatic bi-weekly stock buys on Moomoo. This feature is an excellent way to maintain discipline in your investing strategy and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, all while saving you time and effort. By automating your investments, you can focus on other aspects of your financial goals without having to remember to manually invest every 2 weeks. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it was helpful and that you're now feeling confident in setting up your automatic investment schedule. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy investing!